Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll take a look at how to create a Lightbox Popup. In your OptinMonster dashboard, click Create Campaign. Next, with Popup highlighted, choose the campaign template that's best for your design needs or the canvas template to start from scratch. Next, you'll need to name your campaign, which is for internal use only, and add the website that you would like to load the campaign on. If you have not done so previously, click on Add a new website to add the site name and site domain to start building your campaign. Next, make and save any design changes you need to your campaign. You can change the text, fonts, colors, and more by simply clicking on the element and press the Add Blocks button to add other elements such as countdown timers, icons, and more. And clicking on the Display Rules tab, you can choose which conditions need to be met for your Lightbox Popup to display on your site, such as exit intent. Next, you'll select which view to show, and you'll see a summary of your display rules. On the Integrations tab, you'll add in your email marketing service provider integrations, such as MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Simply click the green Connect button to connect your account. And you can also decide list segmentation options at this point. Next, under the Analytics tab, you can connect with the Google Analytics for your website. Under Publish, we'll simply toggle from paused to live, save, and follow the embed instructions for your website platform, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.